Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Today you are joining me in the Audi A7. I've had this car now for the last few weeks. I've done about 1,000 miles in it, and you know what? It's pretty much all the car that I ever need. It's stylish, it's got a lot of tech on it, it's fairly fast, and on top of that, it's quite luxurious and it's a motorway mile cruncher, so it's pretty much everything that I could ever ask for. In my previous video you would have seen that we've had the rear windows tinted. I want this car to look a little bit less corporate, so what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to go over to my friends at IAW, It's a Wrap, and they're going to dechrome this thing, and I think this car's going to look absolutely amazing once it's been dechromed. The key with this car for me is, although it is like a big luxury car, I want it to look less corporate and give it like a little touch of my own as well. So that's the idea with this car. I'm just gonna go, I'm gonna drop it off. I'm not really gonna film much going on there, and then in a few days time I'm just gonna pick the car up and I'll show you the work that they've done. So I've just taken delivery of the car from It's a Wrap, IAW. I will leave all of the details in the description below. So if you're thinking of getting any work done to your car, whether it's a wrap, whether it's dechrome or anything like that, then definitely check them out on their Instagram, their website, whatever it might be. I'll leave all of the details in the description below. A huge shout out to my friend Sakib as well, who's, you know, arranged the whole thing, getting the car to him and, you know, getting the work done. So yeah, huge shout out to you, mate. What I'll do in this video is I'm going to go and give you a walk around of the work that they've done to the car, and also the body kit that's been installed as well. So yeah, let's get on with it. So from the front end, the first thing that you'll notice is the number plate. It's now got the private number plate, which now kind of feels like it's more like my car. The front end, like the grille, that was previously chrome and that's now been dechromed, so it's got this real nice kind of a stealthy look from the front end, and with those daytime running lights I think the front end just looks pretty damn good. Around the bottom end we've got a Maxton splitter put onto the car, and I think the front end just looks way more uncorporate. That's the look that I was trying to go for on this car, like not make it corporate. So the front end now looks pretty good. Yes, we've still got the 4 rings which are ring chrome. I've got some black ones on order, so hopefully they'll fall through soon and I'll have them obviously put on. And yes, I haven't got rid of the Quattro badge because I think that just looks pretty cool there anyway. So moving around the side of the car, we've got a black S-line badge. We've also got the side skirts, which are the Maxton one, which now I think it makes the car look that little bit lower. It's not lowered on anything, but it just gives you that perception that the car's a little bit lower. And the chrome trim that was around the windows previously, that's now been dechromed. And again, I really think that the side profile of this car looks pretty bang on to how I wanted it to look. So moving around the rear end of the car, the Maxton theme continues. We've got a lip spoiler that's fitted on top of the spoiler of the car. The spoiler of the car is deployable, so when the spoiler is down, the lip gives the car a real nice sleek look, and then obviously when the spoiler is deployed, as you can see now, I think the back end just looks that much more striking. So the rear end of the bumper, most of you guys out there that know your Audis will know that most of them end up coming with like a fake bumper trim. The A7 has some kind of a trimming around it, but it doesn't really look like a bumper trim, but that was again in chrome and we've gone for the dechrome on that, so it just looks a little bit more stealthy and it's not really in your face. So now I think the back end pretty much looks how I envisaged the car to look at the time when I picked this car up. So all the chrome work has now kind of gone. Like I say, apart from the Audi 4 rings, those are on back order, so once they arrive I'll get them on. and I might even debadge the rear end off it as well, so it won't say anything like A7 or 50 TDI. I'm super excited in the way that the A7 now looks. These subtle changes, especially the Dechrome, make a massive impact to the way the car now looks. I think it looks super cool, but I'm keen to hear your feedback in the comments below as to what you guys think of how the car now looks. The only other thing that I'm now considering doing to the car is probably the wheels. I might be changing them, and if I do go down the route of changing the wheels, I want to hear again your feedback as to what wheels I should put on this car. The other option is to probably change the colour of these wheels. They are 20 inches, and probably go for a darker shade of grey, a bit like the centre cap. If you have enjoyed this vid, then definitely give it a like, share and subscribe to my channel for more content. And also guys, if you're thinking about getting any work done to your car, like a wrap or some Dechrome work, then definitely check out It's a Wrap IAW_official is their Instagram page. I will leave all of the details in the description of this vid, and hopefully guys, I will see you on the next one. Take care, bye.